In this demonstration, we will see how easy it is to create a new page, modify the layout, and add content from an existing content repository. Heather is a member of the marketing team and would like to add a new page to the site on investing. She has accumulated some documents on her desktop that she would like to share. In addition, she has content from another repository that she would like to add to the page while securing and personalizing it. Upon logging in, Heather has access to edit the page. Within edit mode, she has the ability to create a new page and perform customization tasks. While she creates the new page, within the context of the other pages, she can give it the name she wants and associate a content folder that will be used on this page. She can easily select a new look and feel, which can be customized, change the page layout, and add content to the site. First, she will set the look and feel, choosing from approved selected styles for Prospero. As she chooses various styles, she can instantly preview how the style will look. This allows Prospero's IT organization to manage multiple branding options while empowering their marketing organization to be able to choose the correct style. She decides to use the Prospero style. Next, Heather selects layout for the page from the valid formats. She likes the Prospero 1-row, 2-column layout and selects that for her new page. After saving the layout, Heather needs to add content. She decides to use a pre-configured web content portlet created by her IT team, named Placeholder Spot. Search makes it easier for her to sift through the available portlets that she has access to. As she clicks the plus sign, the placeholder spot is added to her page. Heather can position the placeholder spot within her layout by simply dragging and dropping it. Heather saves her changes to see the resulting layout and spots. Heather decides that she wants to change the location of her page. She can do this by dragging and dropping it into the desired location. She also noticed that she wanted to name the page Investing instead of Investments. Inline Edit makes it easy for her to modify the page name. Heather is now ready to add her content to this page. The toolbar at the bottom is secured and personalized for her. It gives her one-click access to her content activities. She opens up her Content Navigator to begin adding content. First, she adds header content. This has already been created using a standard content template used for all the landing pages on the Prospero site. She simply expands the tree of her site structure and selects the content for the landing page and drags it to the top placeholder spot. Upon dropping the landing into the spot, she can instantly see it. She adds a dynamic list of advice to the page. Since the advice will come from an external source, it is currently empty. By doing this, the spot will instantly pick up any advice from the external source, secure it, and personalize it after she has specified where the content will be coming from. Similarly, Heather will add a dynamic list of documents. She simply drags and drops the related documents into the placeholder. To complete the look for this page, Heather wants to include the Prospero logo in the page header. She has this file on her desktop. To add the logo, she simply drags it from her desktop and drops it into the logo area. Heather is now ready to configure the external source of content to bring in the advice columns. Using the content toolbar that is secured for her, she selects the bulk import button to configure the external source of advice columns. The IT department has set up an RSS feed of the content from the external source. To import content from that external source, Heather adds the RSS feed into the Web Content Integrator, which is included in Lotus Web Content Management. To ensure the feed is compliant and to preview the content, we can access the feed in a browser. This is the right content, and Heather is ready to import it. She chooses to save and consume the RSS feed. She can schedule the import of the external content as more advice is being added. After consuming the feed, Heather returns to the investing page to see the secured and personalized advice columns. All the content items in the feed have been brought into Lotus Web Content Management, and they have been organized into the site structure. Heather realizes that there are currently no related documents from the external source. However, she has some documents from her desktop that she would like to add. Heather chooses to edit the page to add these documents. Heather navigates to her Documents folder. To add her documents, she drags the Documents folder into her Related Documents section. The documents are instantly uploaded and added to Web Content Management, allowing her secure, personalized, categorized, and versioning capabilities for the documents. Once completed, we can see all the documents in the folder were added and rendered in the Related Documents section. Within minutes, Heather was able to add a new page, change the order of the pages, rename the page, change the layout, add content from an external source, and upload documents, all without having to know HTML or having to contact IT.